Verify that the area is safe and you're clear to turn on the air supply. Turn on the main electrical disconnect. Turn on the computer switch. Turn on the control circuit switch. It'll take approximately 3 minutes to boot up. Push the start button and wait until you get all 3 green lights on the light tower. Once you have the 3 green lights on your light tower, you can home the machine in 2 ways, either on this screen here or on this screen here. Once you push the home button, the machine will start the homing process. Once the machine is homed, you'll have to select the Jamb support block that you need. 1 through 103, we're using the 100. You'll also need to select the Jamb reference. You can select the Jamb data reference or the Jamb end reference. We're going with the Jamb end reference. These are 2 of the Jamb profile blocks that we have. We have a 100, we have a 101, depending on the thickness of your jamb. We also have a profile pin that we'll use depending on the profile of the jamb or the mole post. They will get applied onto the jamb clamp. If you have a mole post and you need to use the profile block, now we can load a door job from the door library. Go into libraries. You have 3 tabs: door job library, door data library, and feature groups. Once you pick the door job that you'd like to run, bring it up, add the quantity that you would like to run, add to the queue. You can toggle the stop. You also have foot pedals to toggle the jamb stop. Bring the jamb up to the stop and the jamb clamp. You're now ready to start sequence. Hit start sequence. At the end of the day, you want to park the machine to be in a safe position. This is in case you lost air pressure. The tools will not hit any of the clamps. It's in a safe position. Come down to your KvalCAM, right click it, hit exit. It's now safe to power down your computer. Now you can turn off your control circuit and your computer.